The provider's got classic trained French chef Ellie Lawton on the ranch. You're not going to believe this venison Milanese and provider Brit Wisconsin maple syrup mashed sweet potato. Check it out.
First, you're going to throw your venison chops in a plastic bag. Then you're going to add buttermilk. And then you're going to add the stars of the show, provider, spices, brand, and the Brit. Okay, now you're going to seal it up, throw it in the fridge for 12 hours. After 12 hours in the fridge, we're going to remove the excess marinade from the chops. Next stop for the chop, we're going to dredge it in flour, egg wash, and then we're going to finish it with breadcrumbs that have been seasoned with the Brit and the brand. Time to fry your breaded chop, and not too long, just let them crispy on both sides. While both fry, I'm going to work on my side with this mashed sweet potatoes with Wisconsin maple syrup, the Brit seasoning, and homemade roasted garlic butters. We're going to finish this dish with a simple crema of cilantro, sour cream, lime, and avocado. Once we plate, top it with some pickled red onions.